everyone, day 2 of the UK Lock Sport January picking challenge, and I've got this CISA hardened shackle, 40mm, a classic example of not reading the advert properly. I thought I was buying a 50mm, not this tiny small one. So there we go with it. I'm not expecting it to give much trouble, but first of all, I'll give in fact quite a narrow keyway so we can find. Okay, that seems to fit. Test that it fits. Right. Okay, slight movement on the core. Oh, okay. The false set. So against rotation. Well, not exactly a challenge that one either. It's a bit disappointing. Let's just see. Keys do work. I find CISAs either really easy or really hard. This one feels like it makes a great beginner's lock. Oops. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye bye.